Here are two rows of apples. Are they same? No. The top row has more apples. So, these two amounts are not equal. When two numbers are not same, one is more and the other is less. This situation is called inequality. Let's look at two numbers, 8 and 13. They are not the same. So, there is inequality between them. To show inequality, we use two special symbols. This symbol opening to the right side means less than, and this one opening to the left hand side means greater than. When the number on the left is smaller, we use the less than symbol. 8 is less than 13. And when the number on the left is bigger, then we use the greater than symbol. 13 is greater than 8. We don't only compare numbers, we can also compare expressions. Let's look at these two expressions. 9 minus 5 gives us 4. 15 divided by 3 gives us 5. When we compare the values, we see that 4 is less than 5. So, we can write 9 minus 5 is less than 15 divided by 3. Let's try another example. Here we have 16 times 3 and 4 times 12. Both of them give us 48. So, we can say that both of these expressions are equal. And to show it, we use equal sign. And this is not an example of inequality. It is equality. To solve for inequality, follow these rules. First, find the value on both sides. Then compare the values and then choose the correct symbol. Let's solve another example. We have 2 times 7 and 16 minus 5. When we solve them, we have 2 times 7 equals 14 and 16 minus 5 equals 11. So we see that 14 is greater than 11. So we can write 2 times 7 is greater than 16 minus 5. So to summarize, if we are comparing two values and both of them are same, then we use equal to symbol to represent equality. And if both the values are not same, that means there is inequality. And we use less than symbol to show one value is less than the other, and use greater than value to show one value is bigger than the other one.